Hello, Bulldogs. In this lesson, we will be learning about the geography of Sub-Saharan Africa, and you will be able to identify some locations in this region. So where is Sub-Saharan Africa? If we look at the map of the world, we're going to see our continents. Remember, this is North America, South America, Europe. We also learned about Russia, which is not a continent, but a country that is both in Europe and in Asia. And we just finished learning about regions that are located in Africa and Southwest Asia. We have learned about North Africa, we learned about the Middle East, which is another name for Southwest Asia, and a little bit about Central Asia. So Sub-Saharan Africa, if you notice, is located on the continent of Africa. What is it though? Well, it's a part of Africa that is located south of the Sahara Desert. Remember, the Sahara Desert is the largest part in Africa, or the largest desert in the world, and it's located mostly in the northern part of Africa. So geographers call this part of Africa that's located under it Sub-Saharan Africa. And remember, when we talk about regions, we're not talking about regions that have fixed boundaries. We can group locations in many different regions. For example, Sub-Saharan Africa can be broken down into more regions than just the one that we see. So, and we use cardinal directions of a compass rose to describe those regions. So if we look on this map, we notice that we have a region of North Africa, West Africa. The countries in the middle are grouped together into the region called Central Africa. We have East Africa, and we have Southern Africa. So the Sub-Saharan region includes parts of West Africa, Central Africa, East Asia, and Southern Africa within its boundaries. What are some major physical features that are found in this region? Remember, physical features are landforms and bodies of water. Well, of course, we have the Sahara Desert, which forms the northern border of the Sub-Saharan Africa. We have a region called the Sahel. This is a semi-dry, semi-arid region between the desert and the rainforest area in Africa. We have, of course, the Nile River, the longest river in the world. We have Lake Victoria, the Indian Ocean on the east, the Congo Basin rainforest area, the Atlantic Ocean on the west, and we have the Kalahari Desert in the southern region of Africa. There are many, many more physical features, but these are just some of the main ones. So what are some major political features, specifically countries in this region? If you notice, there are a lot of different countries. So all of those shapes with names, these are your countries. Namibia, Botswana, Zimbabwe, the island of Madagascar, Kenya, and so on. So here are some of them. We have South Africa. We have the country called Kenya. We have a country called Sudan. We have a country called Nigeria. So that is it for today's lesson, guys. As usual, if you have any questions or you need help with the assignment, be sure to let your social studies teacher know. Have a good Friday.